Recently, there is a very popular tea raw material in the tea market, and many beverage shops are using it one after another. This raw material is camellia oolong. Our Xiaoye students also piled up their own camellia oolong with better flavor and taste. Next, I will teach you how to brew the bottom of the tea. Add tea leaves and boiling water into the measuring pot, then fully stir evenly, and then seal and brew for 10 minutes. After brewing, stir the tea leaves before filtering, then filter the tea leaves, add ice cubes and stir evenly for later use. Add ice cubes, avocado, and our today's protagonist, camellia oolong, to the blender. This camellia oolong flavor has a mellow and smooth taste. The product made with fruit will have a burst of floral fragrance, which can fill the overall taste of the whole cup of product. It is also suitable for milk tea series and lemon tea series. Then add milk, cream, syrup and stir well into the cup. Add chopped almonds and coconut flakes to complete. If you want to know more about the latest raw material information in the industry, just pay attention to our Xiaoye students. Bye bye, we will see you next time.